We want to solve the following equations, giving answers in terms of ln3. If we take this first equation, take log of both sides. So log of e to the 4x is equal to log of 9. We have inverse functions here, so this side just becomes 4x. This is the log of 3 squared. 4x is going to be equal to, looking at this, we can use the log law, that log of a to the power x is equal to x times the log of a. So this will become 2 log 3. Divide both sides by 4, and we get x is 1/2 log 3. Turning our attention to this equation, let's first divide both sides by 3, which gives us e to the x minus 2 is 1/27. If we then take natural logarithms of both sides, we get log e to the x minus 2 is log of 1/27. Inverse functions leaves us with x minus 2, and here we have the log of 3 to the minus 3. So x minus 2 is going to be equal to minus 3 log 3, and then adding 2 to both sides, x is equal to 2 minus 3 log 3.